Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 must-have orbital car polishers for a perfect finish, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Electric Polisher 5-inch Car Polishing Kit 700W. Achieve a polished, waxed finish with this powerful 5-inch electric polisher. Featuring 700W of power and variable speed settings, this machine offers control and efficiency for all automotive polishing needs. The advantages of this orbital car polisher are high-power 700W motor for quick, effective polishing, variable speed settings for versatile use, 5-inch pad size perfect for car detailing. The disadvantages of this orbital car polisher are: requires access to a power source, bulkier than cordless models. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. HYVST 6-inch wall grinding machine orbital motor, versatile and multifunctional. This 6-inch polisher from HYVST features a vacuum head and orbital motor that make it suitable for car polishing, wood sanding, and corner work, providing an all-in-one solution for various tasks. The advantages of this orbital car polisher are multifunctional design for multiple surfaces, built-in vacuum for reduced dust, 6-inch pad offers wider coverage. The disadvantages of this orbital car polisher are heavier due to multifunctional features, higher power consumption. At number 3. Automotive Brushless Mini Orbital Sander, compact and brushless. This mini orbital sander is ideal for smaller polishing tasks on cars and other surfaces. It includes a powerful motor and eccentric grinding technology for precise and efficient work. The advantages of this orbital car polisher are brushless motor for longer life and efficiency, compact size for easy handling, great for tight areas and precision tasks. The disadvantages of this orbital car polisher are smaller pad size limits coverage area, not suitable for heavy-duty polishing tasks. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 5000 RPM 150mm Cordless Polisher, a high-speed cordless polisher with 6 adjustable speed gears. This rechargeable machine operates at 5000 RPM, making it an efficient option for detailing on the go. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, not included. The advantages of this orbital car polisher are cordless design for unrestricted movement, 5000 RPM for fast, efficient polishing, compatible with Makita 18V batteries. The disadvantages of this orbital car polisher are battery not included, limited battery life for extended use. At number 1. BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher 12V Wireless DA. This BATOCA dual-action polisher offers the convenience of cordless operation with two 2.0Ah lithium batteries, ensuring longer runtime and consistent performance. Its brushless motor ensures smooth, powerful action for optimal results. The advantages of this orbital car polisher are cordless with 2 rechargeable batteries, brushless motor for durability and efficiency, dual-action mode for superior results. The disadvantages of this orbital car polisher are limited battery power for prolonged tasks, requires regular battery recharging.